Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Versa key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a well-lit, clean area to work in, preventing any small parts from getting lost. This simple task will have your fob working like new in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the emergency key might slide out. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful, slight twist, the two halves of the key fob casing should begin to separate. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic housing or internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or even a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most Nissan Versa fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Gently pry out the old battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, head to your Nissan Versa and test all the key fob's functions, like locking, unlocking, and the panic button, to ensure everything works perfectly. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.